This is John with WTI, and please don't judge me. So I was working from home from my computer, and my Wi-Fi connection was all the way in the living room. So I took an Ethernet cable and put it in my computer and used it as a hotspot. Not the right way to do it. So it's constantly going down and up the speed for my Wi-Fi until this TP-Link router came into here. So what I did is that all the connection, I took an Ethernet wire to my room, and now with this guy, I'm having solid and stable connection all the time. I'm not having any problems with my internet, working from home, downloading games. The speed tests are constantly going to be the same. And the most important thing is the reach. I could go any part in my room or in my whole house. And I feel like this guy is just like running through walls. Like my walls are concrete here. Like this house are really thick and strong. But even though this guy is a little bit tiny, it's powerful. It works really good. So if you're looking for a simple and at the same time effective router that is going to give you a really high speed and it's up to 100 megabits of speed, so it's going to be really efficient and not spending or wasting too much of your space in your house, this TP-Link router is a good one. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.